Hi, myself Pradeep Sen, representing the Kich Group as a purchase and store head. I would like to share my experience for the purchase of a polycarbonate sheet with Tilara Polyplast. हमने जो देखा कि टिलारा पॉलीप्लास्ट की मार्केट में जो ब्रांड इमेज है, उसकी जो प्रोडक्ट क्वालिटीज़ है एंड द बेस्ट पार्टीज ऑफ सर्विसेज, उन्होंने जो सर्विस हमको दी है, वी आर वेरी मच सेटिस्फाइड विद दैट. सो कंसिडरिंग ऑल दिस पॉइंट, वी हैव सिलेक्टेड टिलारा पॉलीप्लास्ट. And yes, we have get good service, quality products, as you can see above on me. The benefits of the product is it's a green and sustainable product. We are receiving the natural light, sun rays. Also, it's easy to install. So overall, it's a very good product. The main thing is that whenever we have asked for the delivery, within next day we are receiving the delivery. And we definitely recommended you Tilara Polyplast.